My name is Ayomide Jayeola. I represent the Association of Women Living with HIV in Nigeria, Ondo State Chapter. The journey started 19 years ago. In the year 2006, I was diagnosed. It came as a shock. The fear therein and the stigma. I was seen by a suitor then as someone that was going to die any moment from that particular time. But lo and behold, here am I, waxing stronger, looking more radiant, looking more beautiful. Yes, this is to say to each and every one of us that being HIV positive is not a death sentence. HIV did not determine who I became, but I determined what to do with HIV. Yes. What did the medication? I took the medication and today I am virally suppressed, meaning I can never infect anybody. It's you is equal to you. Why are we here today? Elimination of mother-to-child transmission. In other words, known as prevention of mother-to-child transmission. I have a story behind that. Eventually, I got married, even though it was assumed I can never. Yes, and I had two beautiful princesses, and they are both HIV negative. It is possible. The only thing I would like to say here, if we can do away with stigmatization and discrimination of persons living with HIV, we can win this battle. There is a campaign now, prevention of mother-to-child transmission. Every child has the right to be born HIV negative, but it depends on each and every one of us in this hall and beyond. Now, we are looking at prevention of mother-to-child transmission. We are aware of the US executive order. It affected a lot of HADOC staffs, partnering with IPs, all these Ondo state governments in this state and even beyond, even in Nigeria, to see to it that children are not born with HIV. But it goes a long way. There is an aspect of it. We have pair counseling, which is mother-to-mother pair. We call them mentor mothers. The executive order affected them and every other HADOC staff. I want to use this opportunity, sir, let's look for a way while we're implementing this project. Let's see to it that whatever happens, because we don't know what PEPFAR is going to say tomorrow, let's see how we can bring these people on board, engage them meaningfully, and then make sure they are working with us.
Initiative of APIN, the Association of Positive Youth Network in Ondo State. The journey got started like 8 years ago. I was diagnosed. The funny thing is that even till this moment, I did not know where this infection came from, because the lab personnel then made me to realize that it's not a recent infection, that it has been in my bloodstream for a while now, before I was down with the illness. So it was the idea of living with HIV alone. It's something very traumatizing. It was something that there is this self-stigmatization that I had to isolate myself from the community. I thought is a death sentence based on the society we lived in. People have made us to realize that with this virus, maybe you cannot become someone in life anymore. I began to attend more seminars and a lot of counseling was done. I began to gain my confidence back. It was something that I am really proud of. And today I am very virally suppressed. I am now equal to you. And we have others, young people out there, both boys and girls, that are also living with this virus. But due to the stigma and discrimination in our society, they cannot come out. They don't have the confidence to talk about what they are going through. Even I would also employ each and everyone in this room today to please not to stigmatize people that are living with virus. I got to realize that this thing will be much it will be much easier for people that are taking ARV if there is no stigma and discrimination. The truth of the matter is ARV is not chocolate. Now that it is meat that someone will be so much excited to be taking every day, it's not something easy. So I would implore every one of us to please encourage people that are living with this virus, so they would see this virus as just simple thing like malarias and every other simple disease out there. So I'd like to also say, currently in the state, we have young people that are working with the implementing partners in the state. But based on the issue with PEPFAR, they are unemployment. And these people, if they don't have a job, there is no how they'll be able to go to the facility to assess their care, to assess their medication. Please, I would employ the First Lady and His Excellency to please do something, help us to do something about that.
Mo jẹ́ ẹnìkan tó ń gbé pẹ̀lú kòkòrò HIV ó ti tó bí 35 years nísìnyí bá yẹn sọ. Nígbà yẹn gan ó le gbogbo nígbà yẹn tó jẹ́ pé tí àwa bá ń lọ lọ́jà báyìí tá a bá rí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ rà ní ọjà a rí kòrókòrò wọn ní filé wa lọ́wọ́ nítorí pé à ń gbé pẹ̀lú kòkòrò yẹn torí stigma yẹn pọ̀ nígbà yẹn lọ́hùn gbogbo àǹfààní tá à ń rí àárí nísìnyí àárí bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà yẹn ṣùgbọ́n pẹ̀lú gbogbo àǹfààní tó tí àárí yẹn aṣáà ń tẹra mọ́ pé tó wá máa tó gbà kan o tá bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lo oògùn kí ni ó ṣe kí ni ara wa ṣe kí ni à ń lè kókó mọ́ ẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ náà pé ìyàwó mi lè àti bí àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ mi pèsè kí tó ní kòkòrò HIV nínú wọn kí ni àṣírí tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé èmi fúnra mi àti ìyàwó mi àti kọ́kọ́ pa self stigma àti kí ni àparẹ́. So a ti jáde lórí rédíò ní tẹlifíṣàn lóríṣiríṣi káàkiri ní 2007 4 September àwọn alájáde ní orí gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè àti àgbáyé pé we are living with this HIV and AIDS pé àwọn tó máa ń tó pẹ̀lú kòkòrò HIV wọ́n ṣe kí ni wọ́n ní ìgbé ayé àlàáfíà nítorí pé wọ́n ti mọ̀ ní tó ń bẹ ní àgọ́ ara wọn wọ́n lè ti mọ àwọn nǹkan tó lè gbà tó lè fi dojú kọ. Ìdí nìyẹn tẹ́ fi pé àwàláyé gbìyànjú ó kàn sọ fáwọn èèyàn ni pé kòkòrò HIV ò pààyàn wọn o. Tí a bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lo oògùn wa déédéé oògùn yẹn kò sí àkókò fún wa tó ń pé mo gbé dání lẹ́ẹ̀kan bẹ̀ kò sí àkókò fún wa tó bá tó ká nǹkan bóyá human affairs bóyá wọ́n fún wa láyè láti wá yànnà náà dáadáa ṣùgbọ́n fún àkókò òtán fún wa báyìí ẹ jẹ́ kí a máa tá bá ti lo oògùn wa déédéé kò sí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tí oògùn yẹn ṣe ni pé kò ní jẹ́ kí kòkòrò yẹn kó ṣe kí ni kó yé sí mọ́ gbogbo tó dẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ lágbára máa ṣe kí ni a máa fi ṣe ní àárọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá tètè dé lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ bá tètè wá mi wálé ní àárọ̀ lè bá mi lé kí ló dé torí pé mo ní oògùn ara ju àwọn tí ò ní kòkòrò HIV lọ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí mo dẹ̀ bí gbogbo ọdún kò sí kí ni wọn ò ní. So ohun tá à ń try láti sọ ni pé kòkòrò HIV ń wà níta o ó ń jà rìnrìn ṣùgbọ́n kò pààyàn mọ́ tí èèyàn bá ti ṣe kíni tó máa lo oògùn ẹ̀ déédéé ẹni bá ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn minister of health lórí sàkà lórí lọ́wọ́ Dr. Adékùlù àwọn ni mẹ́tọ̀ mi àti mẹ́tọ̀ ìyàwó mi adúpẹ́ pé iyì ló jẹ́ fún ọlọ́jọ́ òní láti lè máa sọ iyì ló jẹ́ fún ọ ní ọjọ́ òní láti lè máa rí wa báyìí tí wọ́n rí wa nínú ìwò ilẹ̀ tí wọ́n jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti gbàgbé wa kó máa sọ ìtàn wa a lè dúpẹ́ fún àǹfààní tó fún wa lọ́jọ́ òní ẹ ṣé gan.